Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home and garden. Today, we're diving into an exceptional device that promises to elevate your outdoor and indoor spaces, the Beendou Ultrasonic Mist Maker Fogger. Often hailed as the best water fogger mist maker on the market, this innovative tool combines advanced technology with practical features to create stunning mist effects for various applications. So, what makes the Beendou Ultrasonic Mist Maker stand out? For starters, this model features an impressive 12-head design that allows for a maximum evaporation capacity of 9,000 milliliters per hour. That's a significant upgrade over older models, which typically maxed out at around 7,000 milliliters per hour. This means you can enjoy a denser, more immersive mist for your gardens, ponds, or even Halloween displays. The Beendou Ultrasonic Mist Maker is built from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. It can operate efficiently in water temperatures ranging from 1 to 60 degrees Celsius. This versatility means it can be utilized in a variety of settings, whether you're preserving vegetables, enhancing landscape aesthetics, or creating a spooky atmosphere for a party. Safety is always a priority with electrical devices, and Beendou has ensured that their ultrasonic mister is equipped with a water shortage protection switch. This feature automatically cuts off the power when water levels drop, preventing any risk of damage to the ceramic plate. It's a smart addition that gives you peace of mind while using the product. This fogger operates at a frequency of 1.7 MHz, which is safe and falls outside the human hearing range, ensuring that it won't disturb you or your pets. The independent line design of the 12 heads means they work efficiently without affecting each other, producing a steady and consistent mist output. Now, let's talk about applications. The Beendou Ultrasonic Mist Maker is not just for decoration, it serves multiple purposes. It can significantly enhance humidity levels, which is beneficial for indoor plants and maintaining a healthy environment. It's also perfect for outdoor landscaping, helping to keep your garden lush and vibrant during dry spells. Customer service is a cornerstone of any great product, and Beendou stands behind their ultrasonic mist maker with lifelong service support. If you experience any issues or have questions post-purchase, their team is ready to assist you, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. So, if you're looking to add a touch of magic to your outdoor spaces, or even improve the ambiance of your indoor environments, the Beendou Ultrasonic Mist Maker Fogger is definitely worth considering. With its robust features, safety measures, and stunning mist production, it truly deserves its title as the best water fogger mist maker. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future product reviews. Until next time, keep creating your ideal space.